here we are, trader versus trader. This is a first for, I think it's probably a first for the world, I don't know. We've got the TradingView Replay Challenge. I've set it up now to have a couple of traders, random traders from the internet who wanted to do the TradingView Replay Challenge to come on and compete against each other. It's called Trader versus Trader. This is Season 1, Round 1. We're about to get into it with a 22-year-old trader called Chris from Russia against another, I can't believe this, another 15-year-old trader from Sweden. We've already had a 15-year-old trader on the show from Sweden, or who's Swedish, but he lives in Poland at the moment. We've got another 15-year-old. I don't know what's going on in Sweden. It's odd. But anyway, guys, so look, let's just first of all wait for a few more people to join this call. If you do want to let me know where you are in the world before we jump in and I introduce you to these guys, that would be great. So, and first of all, yeah, can you hear me as well, obviously? So what part of the world are you watching this from, guys, before we crack into it? And I know it's an odd time. I don't usually do this time for these sort of calls. So this is an odd time. And look, it is the reason for it is the fact that we've got the 15-year-old Jacob in Turkey, and we've got our Russian friend Chris over there in Russia, and me in New Zealand, and this is literally probably one of the only 2 hours that work. Here we go. Yep, somebody can hear me from Spain. So must be start of the day over there. Welcome, Mateo. Mateo, is it? Yep, brilliant. South Africa. His name is Episode 04. We've got Jamaica. We've got NZ. Someone from JG from NZ. Great to have another Kiwi on the show. We've got someone from Sweden, Lund, Sweden. Do you know that, Jacob? Lund, L-U-N-D.
Lund. Oh yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Cool. All right, folks. Great. You can hear us, which is perfect. I'm looking forward to getting this episode done because this is literally, I don't know what's going to happen. I met these guys before, but only briefly to explain how it is all going to work. It's the first. It just sort of came. It came out of a conversation and thoughts and stuff, and I'm looking forward to doing it. And I think you guys are going to learn a lot from this and be entertained as well. So let's get started. Now I just want to double check how many. Okay, we've got a good number of people joining now, so that's fantastic. Right, let me just get into first of all explaining what it's all about, how we're going to do it. There is a little twist as well, which is good. I'm going to introduce you to that, and well, let's get onto it. So here we go. How does it work? So it's a one-time TradingView Replay Challenge with 2 traders. That's it. So TradingView Replay Challenge, we'll go over that in a second. If you haven't seen them before, check them out on my Trading Nut channel. The winner advances of this round to the semi-final. So this is essentially a quarter-final. So we're going to have another 3 of these before we get a semi-final and then a final and find our ultimate winner. Now the winner is going to win $50,000 Forex funded account, which my broker's provided. He's provided this, or they provided this. It's a £400 value. Basically, they can go through the whole process, the evaluation process, and grow or get to funded account status and have a $50,000 account to trade with. So they're City Traders Imperium guys. They've generously donated this prize, so really pleased about that. And look, I mean, it's a bit of a bonus for these guys because Jacob and Chris, who's come on board today, they didn't necessarily come on board to win the prize. In fact, Jacob, I hope you're okay with me saying this, but he said, look, I'll pay you £100 if I don't get 40% of the trades right. So look, this is the way it's ended up, which I like that confidence in a 15-year-old. It's brilliant. So what else can I tell you? Okay, how does it work? So if you haven't seen the TradingView Replay Challenge, if you have, you'll know this inside and out. If you haven't, I'm going to quickly go through it. Basically, we jump on TradingView, we put it in replay mode, and then we I set it to 5 markets on their screen. Okay, so you guys are going to see me do that. We're going to start at different times. I'm going to start it at different times in the past. Then the traders can skip forward in time to find their entry setup. Traders mark up the chart to find their trade, and then they can cancel that trade setup at any time before their entry triggers. We skip forward in time to see if the trade won or lost, and the rankings are based on the overall R gained during the 5-trade challenge. If you don't know what an R is, chuck it in the chat, and someone else who does will answer that for you. Right. that's the end of the prezzo, which is great. So now there's a couple of things here that are different from my typical TradingView replay challenge. One is, well, obviously these guys haven't been on the Trading Nut podcast. I can vouch for the fact they do seem to know what they're doing around a chart, so they're going to explain what they're doing as well during this call. Now, because Jacob is only 15, he doesn't want his face on the internet, which is fair enough. And so what we're doing to make sure he doesn't cheat is he's going to call me up on Instagram, and I'm going to be able to see his face. And what I'll do is I'll just validate the fact that he's turned around, he's not looking at the charts when I set it up. Okay, so we can be assured that that's going to happen. And if he gets 5 out of 5, Chris, and you're like going, hang on a sec, something's gone up, something's gone wrong here. Trust me, mate, I'm not going to screw you over. Right, so guys, do you want to just quickly introduce yourselves? Maybe Chris, you go first. Just tell people how long you've been trading for, and that sort of thing.
Okay, hello.
Sorry, by the way, your camera's not on, Chris, for some reason.
Okay, all right. So you can see me now, right?
Yep.
All right, that's good. My name is Christopher. I'm from Nigeria, but currently I'm in Russia. I'm living in Russia now. So I got into trading, was it February 2020, yeah, earlier this year. So I started learning. So yeah, I watched some couple of videos on YouTube, and I tried to like learn on my own, that kind of thing, before I got to meet a mentor who like tried to show me some things and stuff. Yeah, so
you haven't been doing it for a long time, February this year, and
yeah.
I mean, this guy. I said to him, why do you want to do the TradingView replay challenge? So why was that?
Because like I feel like because while I was starting, I do hear a lot of people saying that before you become a professional trader, you need to be in the game for like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And I was like, what the fuck? You don't need to be that kind of long. You don't need to be start learning that kind of distance. You just need to focus and just try to learn. That's it. So that's the reason why I just want to try to show myself. So that's it.
Yeah, so basically Chris thought, look, other guys are saying, 10 years, 7 years, whatever it is. He was like, I'm doing well after a few months, and I just want to show everyone else that it's possible. You don't need to be doing it for so long. So we're going to hear from him in a few minutes. Well, in fact, we're going to go with Jacob first. So Jacob, do you want to just tell the guys a little bit about yourself? Maybe you can mute yourself there, Chris.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Jacob.
Whoops, sorry, I muted Jacob. Sorry, Jacob, I muted you.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you now. Sorry.
Right. My name is Jacob. I'm from Sweden, but I'm in Turkey right now. Just to relax. When I started Forex, it was January 2020. Yeah.
Wow. So you guys have like literally just started this year. Okay, so we've had guys on the show doing the TradingView Replay Challenge who've been doing it for a number of years. So I'm really intrigued to see how this plays out. So Jacob, do you want to give me a quick call on Instagram? In fact, I'll do that. It's probably going to be easier. And what we're going to do is I'm going to then validate that this guy... Oh, actually, in the meantime, can you share your screen with us, please? Can you share your screen? Okay, I'm just accepting the call. And he's got his video on. I'm just going to hit mute. Do you want to hit mute as well? Yeah, you're on mute. Brilliant. Okay, cool. I can see him now. He's still facing the screen. Do you want to share your chart now? And I'm going to set up his... Yeah, you share the chart. And I'm going to set up your 5 pairs. Okay, cool. Right. Now, what I want you to do is turn around and face that curtain behind you.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, right now. I'm going to set up the charts now. Okay, and it's going to take a little while because what I want to do is, audience, can you please give me any pairs other than oil to trade? Okay, so I'm going to set up any pairs that you guys suggest. This is Jacob said, look, I can do any pairs. So give us a pair, and I'm going to put it in here. It doesn't necessarily need to. Oh, actually, sorry, mate. Can you turn back around? because I need you to give me access to the screen.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Can I choose what pair?
Oh, yeah, you can choose what pair, but you said to me beforehand you didn't want to. I could just choose the pair.
Okay, you can choose.
Okay, I'll choose it. All right. So, guys, yeah, chuck in some pairs, and let's have a look. And why? Oh, I managed to get out of this weird mode. Okay, full screen. Come on, where are you? Oh, I'll just have to do it as is. Right. Okay. So, give me some pairs. Okay, we got GJ as one of them. So, okay, they're really putting some crap pairs in here. Okay, cool. GJ is the third one, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to set that to replay mode. Now, so he's facing the curtain, guys. He can't see anything other than the back of the curtain. We're going to move to the daily chart, and then I'll set you up on GJ somewhere in the past. Okay, that was that done. Let's do the next one, which is going to be whatever I can see first on the screen. First thing I saw was EJ. Sorry, guys. YouTube comments come thick and fast, and I know that the first one was like a Swedish-Norway pair. I might even chuck that in because you are from Sweden, so you'd think that you'd have a sort of fair idea of what's going on. Okay, so this one here, where are we going to go here? I think we might go, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, next one. Let's have a look here. What do we got? Okay, US dollar. I'll just copy that across. Sorry, guys, it's a little bit laggy for me here, so bear with me. We're going to paste that one in. Okay, so this is going to be US dollar ZAR.
I don't even know how to trade US dollar ZAR.
You don't know how to trade that?
Nah.
Do you want to choose one? You can choose them. I mean, you can choose them if you want.
All right, GBP NZD.
GBP NZD, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we can use some of these pairs.
Change the SEK as well. You said.
Sorry, say that again.
Did you put any SEK? I mean, Swedish.
Swedish ones.
SEK. Yeah.
What's going on with this one? You might need to turn around for a second because for some reason there's no. GBP. Sorry, I typed it in wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Okay, right. Replay mode. We're gonna go here. We should give him good chance. I think that one. Right. 2 more to go. What do you got? Do you want to give us one, Jacob? You got 2 more to go.
Pair.
Well, I've got here gold. You happy with gold?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay,
yeah.
Gold. Gold, right. Okay. Replay mode for that, and let's go to the daily again. For some reason your camera turned off on your phone.
Oh.
You can turn around. I haven't set it yet. Okay, he's turned it back on. Gold. We won't go back that far. It's too hard to. That'll do us. And last but not least, let me just scroll up my chat here and have a look if there's anything to. So we've got SEK, SEK, NOK. Would you want that one?
No.
GBP USD.
Yeah.
Okay. So for those tuning in, don't know what this is all about. So basically, Jacob's going to go back in replay mode and try and trade these profitably. We're going to calculate how much R he makes through this little test. One trade each pair. Once he's in and out, it's done. He's on to the next chart. Okay, so it's pretty... what am I doing on the same blimmin' chart? You muppet. Don't talk and do it at the same time. GBP USD, wasn't it? Yeah. Right, replay mode. Almost ready. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Right. I'm going to start with that one. Jacob, you can now turn back round and you can actually, I'll give up remote control. You've now got full control of the screen. The guys are watching. Let's see how you get on.
At first, I'll spot my spawn resistance. I'll put my spot.
So I'm going to end the call with on Instagram.
Yeah. Then I'll just spot my key levels. Key levels.
And if you can speak up a little bit louder, just so the guys can hear you.
Like first, I'll put my spawn resistance down. I will put my key levels after that. Then I will look for liquidity. Yeah, see this liquidity here. So basically, what liquidity is when the bias comes in. There's liquidity. Oh, sorry. When the bias comes in, so yeah, here's liquidity, and we just here is liquidity. So let me just make it a little bigger. Support and resistance. Okay. Then after that, what I'll look for is break the support. Then after that, come back, not retest this, not breaks and retest. Come in again, and after that, retest the support. Then I will look for a buy. Yeah. So can I move forward? Oh, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Sorry, I muted myself. So you can, you can move. So you need to put the going long, going short thing on the screen when you're ready to take the trade. But yeah, you can move forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me just see. Here's a lot of liquidity here. Has been formed. All right. Okay. It's gone good. All right. Now, what I will look for is just touch the red Fibonacci.
The which Fibonacci? Sorry.
This I don't want to say what Fibonacci is, but yeah, just the red one.
The red one there. Okay.
Yeah.
So you want it to touch that? Okay, it's touched that. Yep.
It actually did. Wait, let me just go forward. No, it didn't work.
No trade. It's
no
you're
trade.
Okay. Carry on. You're on to the next trade. Not same chart though. Same chart.
Yeah.
You look next opportunity. Okay. Cool.
So basically, I'll look for the same, just going and touch the support. Touch the support, then I'll look for buy. Buy.
Guys, if you're watching this and thinking that, you know, traders that should be watching this as well, then please share it in your Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, Discords, whatever you've got. Let them know it's on. This is interesting stuff.
Oh, this was good. But I put Fibonacci. Okay, it's touched this one. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to the 4 hour and look for entry. I'm not gonna enter. Yeah, I'm not gonna enter. Yeah,
Yep.
I'll just look for a good entry. And my TP will be here, but I'm not gonna look for enter right now. But I haven't entered. My TP will be here.
Yep.
But let me see if that will work out. Okay, I'll look for entry. I'll enter.
You're into? Okay.
Yeah. One. All right.
So what do we got here? 3.64.
Yeah.
Okay. We can adjust that obviously as we go along because.
But can I move my TP and stop loss?
Yeah, you can move your TP and stop loss, and we've just adjust the R. So the original R was what, 3.64? Was that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 0.64. Yeah. Okay, let's see how you get on. So you're So do you want to zoom in a little bit so we can see if? So are you in the trade now, or do we need the trade to be triggered
wait,
on?
I just want to watch.
Okay. So you tell us when the bar before the bar you'll get in at or when you're ready to take the trade. Okay, great.
Okay. It looks good, but I need to be sure. All right. All right. Let me. Can I just move my stop loss a little bit?
You can do whatever. Yeah, until you're in the trade, you can do whatever, and then you can manage the trade.
All right. 200 pips stop loss. So
2.86 now. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Let's see what happens. Okay.
Okay, you're in the trade?
Yeah.
Okay, so you entered on that bar. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will hit TP. It's a little bit. That wasn't good.
It's quite good to see people who know how to use the replay mode. It makes a big difference.
Oh no. Soloing for a little bit and it didn't break it. Yeah. Come on,
What are you waiting? You're waiting for it to break above that.
Yeah.
That first one. Okay.
Yeah.
And that'll give you confidence. What's your plan if it doesn't?
I would just take my profits.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh no. Can I just
so you can do whatever. You can exit the trade at any point you want.
No, it's making low lows. Low lows and low highs.
It's probably gonna hit the stop, I'd say. Well, there's a small chance I won't, but Right, there you go. -1.
Just take my profit.
-1. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
it's first one. So that's okay. That's okay. You got 4 more to go. They look good to start off with. I mean, you're up, probably
I should just take my
1.5.
profit, but it's fine.
1 point.
Uh,
Okay, so this is a GJ.
GJ. Support, resistance. Then okay, I'll just put my key levels. Boom, boom. There's a lot of liquidity here. Boom, liquidity here. Boom, boom. Oh. That was fun. Okay, can I just clear over?
What are you looking for at this point in time?
I'll look for the same thing. Say go into here, touch this below, and project out the support. I mean, yeah, and then I'll look for a buy, or
Right.
I just okay, didn't do that. Oh, okay. Well, basically, I'll just
What was that?
spot. Isn't touch
Oh,
it.
sorry, I'm just reading the chat. Jonathan
Oh,
said,
yeah.
what was that?
Hey, sorry.
I don't know what he's talking about. I was going to read the rest of the chat, but...
Okay. Now, oh, okay, that's good, that's good. So basically what I want is to retest it, then I want to touch the green. I don't want to say what it is, but yeah, the green.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
So, yeah, do let us know when you're in.
Yeah.
And when you draw your levels up and draw your take profit, stop loss.
Oh, that was good. Oh, no. Never mind. Oh.
Keep going, mate. Keep going. Find us a trade. Find us a trade.
Okay. This same thing. Resistance and support. Okay. I want to enter a buy, but it's not that many pips. It will go up, but I'm not gonna enter buy.
Okay, we wait.
Oh no, you didn't. Okay. Oh. Oh, days. Okay. No.
So you're obviously biased buys, right? So you can't get into any of
Yeah.
those shorts that we've just had. And
I want to enter a buy. But wait, I'm not in. I'm not in.
You're not in? Okay, we'll just.
No. Let me just see the school. I mean, it is a downtrend, but we made lower lows and lower highs.
Yep.
And I'm expecting to hit and all right. I'm in. Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
you're now. Hang on, let's go back to the zoomed it in a bit so we
Yeah.
can see where your entry is. So you're in at this close of this candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what's the R on that? Just so I can make a note of it. 2.
What? Yeah.
2.44.
Yeah.
Okay. You're in. Let's go. Let's see what happens.
No. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So hit TP. Oh.
Just move it back to the start point. So you're now at 1.19. Sorry, 91. 1.91.
Oh, it hit TP. Hit TP.
Ah, it did too. It did too. 1.91.
Yeah.
Well done.
I didn't see the news, bro. Yeah.
Look out for the news on this TradingView. It does sneak up on you. But yeah, you're right. It hit TP. Let's move on to the next one. Well done. So you're currently at 0.91.
Alright, something. Resistance. It's a lot of liquidity here. It's when bias comes in right here. Bias comes in right here, and I will look for here's liquidity as well. So what liquidity is that many bias comes in.
Buyers or bias? Buyers? B-Y-B-Y. Bias. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, all right. This is good. This is good. All right. Well, I want to see the same thing. Basically, I want to break here, come down here, break here, and retest this support. I'll look for buy, and here I will just break here, retest this resistance. Oh no, it will be support, but yeah, and I'll look for sell.
Okay.
And yeah,
cool.
I have many rules, but yes.
So you're seeing a whole bunch of rules that you're not talking about here that you're sort of validating. Is that right?
Yeah. Right, let me just. Okay. Oh my days. It did retest there, but I don't know if I want to go in. No, I don't want to go in. Oh my. No, I'm just gonna let it be. I'm just gonna move forward. This is a bad situation.
It's choppy, that's for sure.
Yeah. All right.
Keo Buffalo. Yes, I do know. Yep, you sent me a Telegram message. I've been spending time with the Robot Builders Club clients there, helping them out. So I'll get to it hopefully this week. That's what I'm aiming to do. I'll have more time this week, so I should be able to put something up that'll help you out. And if anyone wants to know what it's referencing, it's referencing the free training that I've got over there on Trading Nut. If you're interested in building robots, trading with robots, then check it out. Go and sign up for it, completely free. Me teaching you a whole bunch of stuff. Right, where are we at, Jacob?
Him. I can look for buy, but I mean, it doesn't. I don't know. Wait. No, I'm not gonna go in. Oh yeah, that was good. That was a little bit weird. Let me move forward. Okay. Let me move forward.
So as part of what you do, sort of, you try and go, okay, well, now I've got a feel for what I think's going to happen. If I can validate that, then with price moving in the right direction, then it's like, okay, now I can feel more confident that if that happened, then the rest of my trade setup should happen. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Come on. Come on, break it, break it. Okay, it did. Break it. Now I'll just look for a retest and see if Fibonacci touch. Okay. I'll just look for a retest. Come on. I did.
Okay.
Okay, it did the retest. I will maybe look for sell. Never mind.
Not quite getting the entries there. It's funny, you see this is things over and done with really quickly, or it takes forever. It was very quick last week with the rumpled one. Chris, are you a scalper? Maybe you want to unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, and what time frames are you? How low are you going to go?
I'm going to be using 30 minutes. Yeah.
How many? 5 minutes? Did you say?
Yeah, no, 30 minutes and 15 minutes.
Oh, 30 and 15. Okay, cool. Thanks. I just need to know that before we set it up. So, do you want to jump back on mute again? And
I think I'll put sell entry, but I had a good opportunity to sell right here, but I didn't see it. I was a little bit. Yeah, I'm in.
You're in? Okay, great. Hang on. What are we looking at here? I'll just make a note of it. 2.04. Okay. Go for it.
Oh, what is? Oh, this is 28th of August, 2020.
Oh, you must have. Well, I didn't set it up. No. Oh, you must have skipped forward too far.
Yeah.
You must have jumped it. Okay. Okay. Jump to the next cut. Jump to the next chart. Jump to gold. We'll have to reset this one afterwards. Jump to gold. In fact, jump to gold, and then we'll do GBP USD. Then we'll jump to Chris, and I'll set up a new one for you at the very end, and that'll be and maybe we'll be down to a playoff here at this point.
I'll just put my key levels.
And guys, I think going forward, I mean, usually what I'd do is, in this case, because these guys are, basically battling against each other, I would have one go and then the next one go. But because Jacob doesn't want to show his face. It was just going to be too hard to take, too time consuming to do the setup every single time with doing the Instagram call and all that sort of stuff. So this is why we're doing it this way this time. But I think going forward, what I'll probably do is set up one chart, get the guy to do it, then move to the next trader, and then we've got like almost like a, we can see at the very end who's going to win. So what we'll do is we'll jump back in here and do that with the last trade for you, Jacob.
Yeah. I mean, I can look for buy TP right here, but I don't know if it's. I just go one more part. Oh, yeah, here's a good opportunity to buy. But wait. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Wait. Not yet. All right. I'll look for buy.
Okay.
I'll buy right here. Okay.
Okay, tell us when you're in. Are you in now?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, 3.04.
Okay,
Okay.
let me get my kitchen plug. And what's this? I don't know. No. Okay. Okay. Oof, this one. Oh, it was a good entry. I can't lie, it was a good entry. Yeah. All right. It was a good entry. Yeah.
Is he going to break that area?
I hate this.
It's like a perfect head and shoulders up there. Is it either, what's your thinking here? Are you either, okay, well, you're obviously still in, it's back to where you were. Okay, that's your thinking. So hang on, what have you reduced it to? 2.99?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tip. No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, you got your TP, 2.99.
Ooh. That was a good TP.
Well done. Okay, you're currently at, damn, my maths is so bad. It's actually not too bad, but let me just do it. It's bad when I've got about 300 people watching, plus 3.9. You're at exactly 3.9, which is great. So 3.9. You got 2 more trades to go though. So even if you lost both trades, you'd still end up with 1.9, which would actually put you at the top of the current TradingView Replay challenge. Ironically,
I should take my prof here, but it's fine. All right.
Yeah, you don't. Okay, so jump onto GU. Sorry, no. Yeah.
No, GPUSD. Yeah.
Yeah. GPUSD.
What's this?
God, man, that'll be top 2 places. Not that you're going to make the leaderboard for this, but the top 2 places would now be held by 2 15-year-olds, which is from Sweden. What's going on? What's going on in Sweden?
Oh, man. time frame. Right, 2015. Okay, that's fine. I can't look for sale right now, but I don't know if that is worth it. I'm not in a trade. Yeah.
Sorry, you're not in a trade.
I'm not in a trade.
Not.
No.
Okay.
Trade. No, I'm not in a trade yet.
Do you find that this also works on lower time frames?
Yeah. This is a wake-up strategy for everyone.
Right.
Wake-up strategy, but I'm doing it on my own way. Like on my own way. I mean, yeah. Retest, release.
Because you've got a number of strategies, haven't you?
Yeah.
So this is, why have you decided to go with this one?
I mean, it's very simple. A very good strategy. I always look for long-term trades when I trade wake up. So
So you're looking for it to break out of this range?
it did break. Now just for retest. Oh.
So for the guys that are joining us here, we've got 15-year-old trader from Sweden here, taking on a TradingView Replay challenge. It's called Trader versus Trader. We've got Chris from Russia, over there in Russia. He's from Nigeria originally. He's about to do this afterwards. He's a scalper, so probably we'll see a lot more action. We'll probably won't be able to go back as far in time, but he's scalping on the 30 minutes and the 15-minute charts there. So guys, it's coming up. So far, we've had 3.9 R return from our 15-year-old trader in Sweden, which is crazy. 3 trades in, and we've got to go back and do the last trade at the very end, just after Chris has gone through as well. So we'll get a final score there. We had a little bit of a hiccup with one of the charts there with the GBP NZD. So we're going to do that in a second. So this is the last trade from Jacob before we head over to Chris.
Maybe. Oh, days. No,
Have you guys
I'm
got
not
any?
in a trade.
Oh, you're not in a trade? Okay. If anyone's got any questions for Jacob, chuck them in the chat and I'll have a look and see if I can weave them into the conversation here.
No. Days.
One of the questions is, do you ever, from Jonathan Oliver, do you ever look at lower time frames for signals?
No. No. I'm not doing it. Alright, now I'll just look for the retest. I mean, let me see the Fibonacci. If the Fibonacci is good, then I'll look for a buy. I mean, if the Fibonacci touched the
Okay.
green.
So another question, Dread. Dreadnought 85 says how long has he traded for? So it was from January this year. So not very long.
Yeah.
Not very long.
No.
And before that, nothing at all, right? No trading at all.
No, not real.
Wow.
I mean, I can look for buy right now, but it's not a lot of people. Yeah, I'll look for buy. I'll place buy.
You're in? You're going to place an order at this
Yeah.
current close? Okay.
Wait. I'm not sure. Wait.
Okay.
I just Alright, let me get each human cloud. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, you're in. So what was the R on that?
1.99. Hang on. Can I play forward?
Yep.
Alright, let me go to 4R. And let it just. Wow.
Okay, -1.
Okay.
Okay. Didn't work out. What do you think happened?
It was a bad trade.
Right.
I didn't.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bad trade. Yeah.
I'll go one more trade. The trade later.
Okay, cool. We're gonna jump over to Chris. So do you want to stop sharing your screen there, Jacob? Chris, unmute yourself and share your screen. And what we'll do is we will get you to turn around once we can see your webcam running as well. Here he goes. He's unmuted. Webcam on. Brilliant. Chris, do you want to turn around?
All right, no problem.
Oh, actually, before you do, can you share your screen with me?
Okay.
No. Can you turn back around again? I need you to share your screen.
All right. Let me share my screen first.
Yeah, and then I will request access to the screen as well. Comedy show here.
So can you see it now?
I can see it now. So hang on 2 seconds. Let me just request remote control. And yeah, tell me if you get something pop up. Oh no, it didn't work. Sorry. Request. Okay, great. I've got that. So I'm just going to open up a few tabs here and put TradingView in it.
So good.
Yep. And so you're wanting 15 or 30 minute time frames, which means we can't go back too far in the past.
We can make use of 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes is okay for me. Yeah.
30 minutes. Okay, cool. All right. So that gives us a little bit of moving room. Now, pairs, you were happy with any pairs, right?
Yeah, just but you can start GBP, JPY, and Nasdaq.
Nasdaq, okay.
And then Euro, GBP, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go with this one first, and then Nasdaq. Guys, do you want to chuck in to the chat some pairs that we can throw at Chris here? Oh, yeah, you can use US 30, yeah. Oh, Nasdaq. What is that? What's the Nasdaq one symbol? I've never tried.
100.
Not Nasdaq Inc. Nas 100, is it?
Yeah. 100, yeah.
Ah, typo.
Nasdaq 100. Q.
Oh, Q.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to go to the Special Olympics here. This one?
No.
Do you want to just type it in, mate? Make
Okay,
it easy.
can I do it?
Yeah, you just type it in. I've never even gone to that chart. I don't think ever. The US NAS 100. Okay, that one. This one there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming. Let me put it
Okay,
down.
go. Yeah, you type it in, mate. You type it in.
No.
Not that one. Even you can't find it. Okay, we got some other pairs here. Okay, they're all pretty.
No, don't worry. I have it here. I'm coming. I have it here.
Okay, yeah.
Wait. Let's see.
It's probably that US NAS 100. I would have thought it was that one,
On my
wasn't it?
watch list. Okay, that's 100. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
100 USD.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
see.
cool. All right. Turn around. Turn around.
All right.
Yeah. Turn around. I'm just
Okay.
going to close your watch list here. How do I do that? Oh, forget it. Right, let's add some more in. We had, okay, just GJ. We've already got that. Yeah, they did say US 30, so we're going to add that in. We've also got ADCAD. And let's go with, what was that called? NZD CAD. Okay, people loving that. Okay, cool. All right, stay there. I'm going to now put the replay mode on. Now, you're wanting 30-minute time frame. Okay, cool. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually give myself the daily to get back there. And replay. Okay, that's one down. So these guys, it's quite interesting because they haven't traded prior to the beginning of this year. Like, I mean, I saw somebody's comment was, "Oh, your gold was only going up at that time," but guy's 15. He was probably like, he probably was only 13 at that time when gold was going up. So I don't know how he could have predicted that, or known that just by looking at the charts. There we go. We'll try something a little bit tricky here. Two more to go, man. Almost there. Make this one a little bit friendlier. And last one. Thanks for the patience, watchers. This is that takes a while to get there, but it does make it even fairer that everyone's seeing this stuff go on. Let's go back a bit further. That'll do us. Okay, Chris, you can turn around. Just want to double check this one. Okay, yeah, so there's some lines that you obviously drew on there ages ago. Go for it, mate. It's over to you.
Let's see.
Your webcam's disappeared, mate. What happened there?
Did I leave it on?
Yeah, leave it on, because then, like, you know, makes it, yeah, people can see what you're doing. It's dropped off again. What's going on? It looks like it's on Zoom. Uh-oh. He's disappeared. This, and his mount is thing may have frozen. Oh no, I've still got control of his screen. I wonder if he's lost connection. Oh no, here he goes. Chris, we can't hear you, mate. We can't hear you. We can't. Yeah, okay. And we can't see you still. So do you want to turn the camera on again? Okay, cool. Right, so there you are. So you're in. So hang on, you're back in replay mode. Stop. You've somehow clicked on the replay mode. I think we've jumped out of it. Yeah, we've jumped out of it. Just want to swing around again. Turn around. Sorry, we jumped out of replay mode there. Oh. Okay. Yep, spin around. We're ready for you, mate. Turn around again. Turn back around. Okay, go for it. Now, do you want to come closer to the screen and tell people what you're doing as well, what you're thinking?
Okay. Well, I'm just going to be trying my zones. Yeah.
Actually, I'm just like looking at this now, going, we're going to have to because it's okay. Let's stop. Yeah, just stop for a second. So okay, so you've got I can see there that okay, this is you drawing your zone here. Yeah. You've now got zones that you've previously drawn that are up here, which is, you know, you can pretty much say, well, price is probably going to go up there, right? So I'm going to delete these drawings. All right, you're going to have to turn around once more. Sorry about this. And then we'll find another place for you to start. So remove drawings. Okay. Because I'm sure somebody else would have picked that one up. Replay mode. Let's stop that. Okay. Right. Turn back around again. You're in. This is on the daily time frame, by the way, so you might want to change it to a lower time frame. Okay, do you want to give some explanations here? So you've drawn a zone at the top and a zone there. Yeah, what are you thinking?
I'm trying to map up my zone so I can get a better entry. Yeah.
God, I've just realised I've got a whole bunch of black dust in my hair. I was I'm laying carpet down in I've got a new office that I've just built in the garage. If anyone wants a quick tip, it's about $1,000, and you got plastic walls that you can put in. If you got a garage, put in your garage. It's literally another room in the house for about $1,500. Unbelievable. What are you looking for?
I want to move forward a bit.
You want to go forward? Okay, cool. Yeah. Let me grab your mouse for 2 seconds.
All right.
So it's hidden under this.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. So the one with the line next to it is that one. There is the one you want. That will take you bar by bar. Yeah. What are you waiting for here? What are you looking for? Some sort of
Yeah, I'm trying to move to let me see, this is okay now. This is I'm trying to move to London section here.
Yep.
Oof, I could have taken an entry.
Okay, so is that start of London or Asia? Start of Asia.
Oh, that could have been my entry, but I missed it. Oh, wait. Look for another trade. So I think I want to be taking an entry here.
Okay.
If it breaks this high, I'm going to take an entry. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, stops below this.
And if it doesn't break it on the next candle, what are you going to do?
Then I'm going to keep on looking for a better entry.
Okay. So you got one candle chance of it breaking that high. All right. So let us know when you set up.
Okay. So
Is that your exit as well?
Yeah. 37 pips. Oh. That's a lot.
Okay. What's the R? What's the R on that? Let's have a look before you. 1.08. Okay. Okay. So you're still waiting for a trade? Okay. You're in. You're in. And obviously you can adjust the trade at any point. Okay, you're almost there. You're in. Okay, there you go. Locked away.
Oh, no, I'm going to take 50% from here. I mean 80%.
Should have said it.
Oh,
Should have said it.
Sorry.
Yeah. So it's still good though. You got 1.08. You can do it next time. So next time, just say you get to do it beforehand. Yeah. And yeah. Okay. So that was good. It was 1.08. You got just over 1R, which is good. So let's move on to NASDAQ 100. Plus, it's easier for me to work out if you don't take 80% of the trade. I've got to do the maths to work it out.
Let me see. What time of the day is this? This is just for me. No time. Okay, this is daily candle.
Yeah, you're on the daily candles at the moment.
Yeah.
Actually, can you make sure you clear the chart first? Just clear the chart.
Okay.
Just right click on it. Oh yeah, that'll do. Yeah, delete. Now, okay. Actually, can you just go forward about 20 days? Just go forward about 20 days.
Okay, I should move forward?
Yeah, just 20 days with, yeah, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I saw there was some sort of lines indicating that it might have been going up. Okay, yep, you start from there. That's fine. Well, I think so. Like somebody said here, like NASDAQ is easy because it's always going up. So if you got a short trade in here and you took a short, that would be proving some of the people watching wrong. No pressure. If you want to take the buy, take the buy. It's up to you.
All right.
What are you waiting for here? You're waiting for it to break it?
No, I'm not looking for short here. So
you're looking for short. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm not looking for short now. So
yeah.
This is saying okay, now I'm going to be taking a trade. If it breaks this low, if it breaks this low, I'm going to be taking a trade here.
Okay. Yeah. Draw it in, fella. And just remember, let me know if you're everything you can before it happens, because you only get one chance, right?
I get it. I get it.
Yeah. Okay, you're in. Yep.
Yeah.
Out.
Oh, fuck.
That's -1. And I went to take profit as well. Your stop was just too tight. How's the luck? Okay. Next one. Are we missing a chart here somewhere? Oh, we've closed the chart by accident. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. It makes it even better. We'll jump to so go up US 30. US 30.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll jump back to Jacob. We'll do his last trade, and then we'll jump back to you again, and get your last trade, and we'll get our winner from there. Nothing worse than the tight stop, honestly, and it just gets taken out, especially on these sort of lower time frames. Especially when it goes to your target as well. I actually did the replay challenge myself after the rumpled ones interview replay challenge last week. He stuck around, and I thought, I'll have a go. I'll see what I could do. And I only took one trade, but I did win the trade, and I think I had 1.4 R on it, something around that. So I was quite happy with myself. It's like, damn it, maybe I do know more than I'm sort of giving myself credit for. What are you looking for here, Chris?
My overall bias here is buy.
Buy.
Yes, I'm looking for a buy. I think I'm going to be taking a trade here. Let's see. What is this stuff here? So.
I wonder why those green bars are like solid. Some solid green bars and some. Is that the start of the day? Is it?
I'm going to be taking a trade here.
Okay, so let me know how. Let me know when. Okay, so hang on, you haven't let me know anything yet.
I'm inside. I'm in a trade now.
You didn't let me know. I said let me know when.
Yeah,
You didn't let me know.
Yeah, I set my, what's it called? I set it like this, so I was thinking it's gonna be.
Okay, I do accept that.
Oh.
But hang on, you've changed it now. I can't see what the ratio, the risk to reward. You got to find another one. You got to find another one.
Another one? Oh my god.
Because you've just moved the stop, and I couldn't see what the R was before.
Okay.
Yeah, no. You got to find another one. I'm afraid. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know. You gotta listen. You gotta.
No problem. Let's go.
You gotta tell me when you're gonna be in the trade.
Okay.
Because I'll just get abuse from the audience if you're not. If you don't, it'll be like, hang on, you didn't. He's saying take 80% profit, and he's calling the trades after he's entered them. But look, that one went to profit, didn't it? It was a good trade. So people can see that. Looks like looks like Europe's waking up over there. Bonjour, ça va? Ça va bien, merci. It's about as far as I go. Where's this US 30s? It only ever goes up. Is that what was it for this one, or
Okay,
was
no,
that
I'm not
Nasdaq?
taking the trade if it breaks this low.
Okay, you're in if it breaks the low. Okay, great. Right.
Yeah.
Now set your stop loss, take profit. Let me know what the R is. It's 1.64 from at the moment.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm taking the trade now. If it breaks this low, I'm taking the trade. So let's see.
Okay, if it breaks the low, you're in. Let's have a look.
So now I'm going to be looking for buy.
Okay, so cancel that trade. Let's move on to the
Yeah.
next. Yep.
Because there's a clean traffic here, so let me see. Let me see if it's gonna make like a minor support or something here. So I'm gonna take it and buy. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, what do we got? 1 point. So you can adjust these as you're going. 1.71,
So
yeah?
what I'm doing is, if the next candle, if it comes down to this place and started to retrace, then I'm going to take it. I'm going to enter here.
Okay, so there's a buy stop order on
Yeah.
the candle, yep.
Not like a buy stop. Like
Oh, sorry, a limit order. It's buy limit order, yeah? Buy limit order.
Yeah.
Candle comes down,
Like
touches it,
waiting.
you're in. Yep.
Let's see.
Yep, you're in. Well, how's your luck? Two more to go. We got one chart up there, so we're going to do that last, that AUD CAD.
Is this AUD?
Yep, AUD CAD. So you're currently tracking at minus 0.92 because you've had two losers and a winner.
But I want you to trade.
Sorry?
I said I want you to trade. The first
Yeah,
trade
you
I
won.
took,
Yeah, you won the first one. Then that next one,
yeah,
yeah, that next one, unfortunately, was a bit of a mishap.
I mean on that trade on US 30.
Yeah, I know. The first one you won, but that wasn't counted, unfortunately. And then the second one, you lost. You got two more though. You got two more.
Yeah, okay.
And what I will do is go out to the audience for a vote here. All right. So guys, because I may have been not looking as hard as I should have been and might have missed something, which you guys watching may have picked up on. So it's a vote. Do we take Chris's winning trade that I discounted, or do we leave it out? Guys, yes or no, I'm going to count them up. Start putting it on the chat, and whatever wins out is what we're going to go with. So, yes or a no. Let's have a look. Do we take the trade that he took that I discounted on the I think it was the US 30, where he said, "Look, can I enter it late?" Oh, I've entered, but he said it late. So got one yes, one no. No. 2 no's. 3 no's, 4 no's. 2 yeses. I better type this up.
So I'm going to take an entry once it's previous high.
Now, there's a lot of no's. Okay.
Yeah.
There's the no's have it, I think. Yeah, the no's have it. I don't even need to count it. I can see. Yeah, there's more no's. Okay, thanks, guys. I think it's pretty clear. It's unfortunately the good. Oh, the sheets are firing through now. Yeah, the no's definitely have it, and there's no way I can actually keep score on this, but it's definitely more no's. So, okay, where are we at here?
I'm in the trade.
Hang on a sec. We just done it again here. You're supposed to tell me. You're supposed to.
I told you that if it breaks this high, I'm going to be taking the trade, right?
Okay, sorry, I wasn't listening. I was looking at the no's and yeses.
Holy shit.
Okay, no, we'll give you this one. You're in. Because it's on video. It's recorded, mate. We're all good.
What I will do now, like, once it reaches this place, I'm going to be taking 80%. Yeah.
1.88, yeah?
So I'll move my stops to break even.
At this point? Okay. Yep.
Yeah. But I've already taken 80% here.
Okay, right. So you've taken 80% there, which was. Can you move your stop back so it was giving us 1.88 R? You stop. No, you stop.
Okay, my stop. Okay.
Yeah. Stop. Move your stop down.
I'm trying to.
You might have to redraw it.
My stop was here, I think.
It was lower than that, I think, because you had 1.88 R was your thing. So your stop was lower. It had to be lower.
Yeah.
Can you move it lower to make it 1.88 R? So then I can work out how much R you're taking at the 80% mark.
So I'm taking 80%. So.
Yeah, I know, but I've got to do the maths, right? So I've got to work out. So I need to sort of work out how much R is your first take profit of 80%.
It's gonna be sometimes I think it's.
Okay, let's just do eight. Okay, I'll just do it this way. I'll do
$80 here. $80 here.
I'll do 80% of
one standard lot size.
No. It's got nothing to do with lots, mate. Nothing to do with lots. Times 0.88. Okay, equals 0.7. Okay, so it's basically 0.7 R at 80% of your risk. Okay, so I mean. Okay, right. Now carry on with the trade in 2 seconds when I start looking. Okay, so now, okay, so where are you going to move your profit? You've moved to stop to break even. Yep. Are you going to move your profit target? Actually, can you move your okay, it doesn't matter. You're at break even. Okay. Right. So that was a 0. And what we're going to do now is we're going to jump back. So basically, where did you end up, Chris? You had 1 win, 2 losses, and the and a break even. Yeah. Right. Do you want to stop sharing your screen for a second? And I'm going to jump back and sort out Jacob. So Jacob, do you want to give us a quick call on Instagram again?
Oh yeah.
And share your screen as well.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's mute that. Do you want to mute yourself on Instagram just so we don't get the echo? Righty-ho, so we're going to set you up with one more chart. And what was it? It was a GBP NZD. Okay, do you want to turn around and face the curtains again, please? Oh, sorry, mate. You're going to need to turn around and give me access. Okay, brilliant. Got it. All right, let's do this. Okay. What's that? 2020. So you would have been. You would have been 12 years old during this current time. So here you go. You can turn back around again now. Okay. I'll give up. Yeah, I'm just going to give it remote control. There you go.
Here's one spot. Key levels. After that, I'm just gonna support. No, I mean resistance. Support. There we go. Wait, oh, it's a little bit laggy, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so you're currently at 2.9 overall. So if you can get a winner here, then you're going to be doing very well.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
So unfortunately, Chris has got to pull one out of the bag here if he's going to take this one out. You need, unless so the best you're going to get is if Jacob loses this, it's going to be 1.9R. So you're going to need to basically make a 3-hour trade to win it. Which I think at this point you've just got to have a punt, right? You probably got to have a punt and go, okay, this isn't how I normally trade, but this is me going for the win.
Okay, I'm going for a trade.
Okay.
I'm taking a trade. But this will be a long... Wait. Let me just check the Fibonacci. This is a good opportunity to trade. Yeah. each. No, wait. It's a little bit laggy, but it's fine.
What do you mean by laggy?
I mean, it's a little bit delay or a little bit lag. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not in the trade.
Oh, it's too late. It's okay. You're sort of, so you're not in the
I'm not in
trade.
the trade. No.
Okay.
But it will hit TP. It's fine. Oh no. I was not in that trade.
Yeah, I know. Yep.
Let me just delete this. Okay. Okay.
Where are we at here? So it's looking like a setup?
No, not yet.
We've got Jim Brown in the house. Welcome, Jim. How's it going, mate? Maybe we can get you on here. I haven't reached out to you yet to see if you want to do this sort of thing. I know with your strategy, it might be a little bit awkward, actually, with the scaling.
Might be in a trade right now.
Okay, well, just let us know. You got to set it up.
Oh, this is a good opportunity to trade this. Oh, okay. Wait. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm not in the trade. I'm not.
Not in it. Okay.
Wait. No. All right, I'm in the trade.
Okay.
You'll make.
You're in the trade, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll look for a big target and stop loss. It'll be right here.
So what's that risk reward ratio? Can't quite see it. Is it 2 to 1? Oh, sorry, yeah, 2 is it? Just put your mouse over it, over the green box.
I'm sorry.
Oh, and click off and click on the green box. Sorry, it's covering the thing for me. I can't see the number underneath the ratio number. Is it just saying 2?
What? Where?
In the middle box where it says risk to reward ratio.
I can just see.
No, it's got a dot covering it. See the dot? The dot covering the number there in the middle green box. Okay, I think it says 2.03.
Wait, I can't see it.
Okay, let me request access, and I'll point to you what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Okay, right. This dot here. See the dot? It's covering the number.
Oh, sorry.
So I don't know how we get it off so we can see the damn thing. Why is it? Oh, just make it wider. Just make it wider. 2.63. Okay, didn't look like 2.0. Okay, so set it up now, please, and then we can work it out.
Okay. I think this is a good trade.
Okay, cool. 2.63.
I'm gonna trade. It's a little bit risky, but wait. Can I just think a little bit? Let me get the Fibonacci. I think my target will be down. Yeah. Alright, I'm in the trade.
You're in the trade, okay.
Yeah.
So are you into that? So hang on, are you in the trade? Because it's where's it closed? Is it closed? Okay, it's closed on the trade. Okay, you're in. Yep, gotcha.
Alright.
And it's still the same risk to reward?
Yeah.
2.58. It's changed.
Yeah.
2.58.
I just want thing. I mean, should I take my profit here? Alright, it's fine. I'm a little bit scared. But it will be fine. Let me just get cloud. Alright. Alright, so I knew it will make lower lows and lower highs. Oh shit. Come on.
Okay, you're now at probably about 1-to-1 now.
I'll take my profit.
You gonna take profit? Would you normally take your profit, or is this because it's a good?
I'm a little bit scared, but
Okay, what is that? It's basically 1-to-1. It's 0.97. Yeah, 0.97. Okay, you're taking profit 0.97. 0. Okay,
wait, let me
cool.
just see. Oh.
You've made a total of. You made a total of 2 point. Oh, crying out loud! This is just not my day with this 0, but 2.9 plus 0.97. Okay, 3.87. So you've made a total R of 3.87, which is pretty impressive, I've got to say, because it does put you up there at the top of the leaderboard if you're doing the replay challenge against the three of them, against 5 of the gurus that have been on the. You beat everyone so far. You beat everyone. Okay. There's 5 of them that have been on. You've beaten them all you've doubled what the best is, and the best was another 15-year-old Swedish guy, Philip Bloom. Yeah. So well done. Look now, it's a tough ask for Chris. Chris, do you want to share your screen? Do you want to stop sharing your screen there, Jacob, and get Chris? Do you want to share yours? Turn your webcam on and turn your mic on as well. Hopefully, Chris is still with us. Yeah, here he goes. He's coming online now.
Yeah. So can you hear me?
Yeah. Brilliant. Okay, right now we had I think it was NZD CAD. So what I'll do is I'm going to just use this chat here. I'm going to request access to your remote, your mouse. And do you want to turn your camera on so we can see you turning around?
What? Can I let me tell you that. Hello?
Camera's not on. Need to turn your camera on. Yeah, that's it. Do you want to spin around and I'll set this up for you?
Okay, that's good.
Okay, let's find somewhere. Okay, spin around. It's over to you. Hey, spin around again. You can spin around. We're all done. Here you go. This is your final trade. So you're currently at minus 0.92. So you've got to get something ridiculous, which is like highly unlikely. So I would say your best bet is to just trade the way you trade if I was you.
So, I mean, can you refresh yourself?
So Jacob's got 3.87R in total.
Oh.
Yeah. You've got minus 92, minus 0.92, so almost minus 1R. And so you need over 4R to beat him.
Wow. So, like, how do you know what score traders? I just want to ask this question.
How do I know what? Sorry?
Is it by percentage or?
R, it's based on the risk.
Oh, the risk.
So, but not the amount. So it's literally the risk to the reward, right? So it's like if you're risking 10 pips and your reward is 10 pips, that's 1R. So you've got to risk 10 pips and have a reward of 40 pips to have a 4R trade.
All right, no problem. Let's cover this.
And then looking at this format and thinking about it, it's probably not. There is a bit of a flaw with it because the guy going last has a chance to gazump the other trader with one trade, which is a little bit unfair, I've got to say. So if anyone's got any ideas on how we can get around this, let me know in the chat or send me a message, because I think, so yeah, like if Chris here can come up with a 4R trade, which is more than possible when you're scalping, he could potentially take this out. And on the current rules, he'll be the winner, even though he's got a much lower winning percentage.
So what my check-it out thing is it okay like this? Because I'm about to take a trade now. So.
Sorry, say that again?
I said I'm about to take a trade.
Okay, you're about to take a trade. Okay, tell me, what do we need to see? If price breaks that level, you're going to take the trade? Okay, do you want me to tell you if you're going to win this or not with the current R that you've set?
All right, just check it out and tell me.
Let's have a look. Oh. $3.07 will not get you the win, but hey, it'll be still a good trade. Okay, you're in. You're out. Okay. Didn't work out, fella. Unfortunately, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's a difficult game. You've done better than some other guys that have come on the show, and in fact, out of the 5, you've done better than 2 of them already. So, thank you very much. Hey, look, that's it, guys. I think we are done. So the final scores were: Jacob had 3.87R, which is a record for the Trading Nut Replay Challenge as a whole, and I've had 5 of them already. And these were all being past guests. So he's not a past guest. He's he's a 15-year-old kid from Sweden. And then we had a completely different style, which I love the fact that you come in and done the scalping on the 30-minute, and didn't quite work out. We had a few hurdles there with the trade that you might have won. Even if you'd won that one, you still wouldn't have taken them out. So look, I think that's it, guys. So everyone who missed the start of this, can you just stop sharing your screen there for a second? And I'm going to share my screen. And yes, okay. For everyone that wasn't here at the start, I just want to quickly go through how it works, and so you know what's coming up. So this is the Trader versus Trader live show, a new live show that I'm doing. If you are a trader out there and you want to have a go at this, then please hit me up on Instagram, direct message me with a video showing me what you can do. Just walking through a price chart, do a video, and tell me why you want to be on the challenge. Only 2 things: video, why I want to be on the challenge, and walk through one of your recent trades. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pit you up against somebody else, another trader who's also keen to do the challenge as well, and come on here And then if you guys, if you win your round, you sort of you advance to the next round, and there's going to be semi-finals and then finals. So this is like a quarterfinals almost, and it's a knockout competition. And the sponsor of my podcast and YouTube channel at the moment, City Traders Imperium, they're putting up a prize, a £400 prize, getting one of their funded accounts, or access to one of their funded accounts through the evaluation process. So folks, that's it. Look, Jacob and Chris, thank you for coming on the show. It's been a pleasure having you both on. Any last words? Do you want to let the guys know how you can get hold of you and that sort of stuff, or do you want to stay anonymous? It's up to you.
You can follow me on Telegram, GWRFX_27.
Okay, I'm just going to write that down here.
Yeah.
It was
G
J
W R FX
_27. So it's the same name as your Zoom name. And what about you, Chris? Any final words? And do you want to let people know how they can get hold of you?
Well, my Instagram handle is Trading with Ice. Yeah.
It was _ice, was it? Trading with _ice? Yeah.
Oh, sorry, _ice. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Guys, if you want to check them out and follow them, please do. I'm sure that they'd appreciate a bit of love, and you can see more of what they do. All right, guys, that's it for the show. Thank you for watching. And I don't know when the next one of these is going to be, but yeah, as I mentioned, if you are a trader out there, you want to take this on, then please hit me up on Instagram with that video showing me you walking through a price chart, and what else? Why you want to do the challenge. Guys, we'll see you in the next episode of Trading Art, which is coming out this week. There's also going to probably be another TradingView Replay challenge with one of my past guests. Stay tuned for that. I've got the Robot Builders Club special offer finishing in about 2 days. So if you want to jump on board with that, jump onto the Trading Nut site. You'll see that on there under robots. And yeah, look, have a great weekend, and we'll see you later on this week in some of the other stuff that I do. All right, bye.
All right, bye.